welcome to my kitchen. My name is Cheri and today is National Peanut Day. It's also Slow Cooker Sunday, so today we're going to be making a peanut butter chicken, kind of like an Asian dish. But before I get started, if this is your first time here, you love food, fun, and slow cooker recipes, hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell and check the description below. You'll find details on how subscribing helps to feed the hungry. Okay, so the first thing I want to start with is a pepper. So you need a full bell pepper, and I had a little bit of red pepper left over, so I'm going to use that and then half of a green pepper. So basically you can use any type of bell pepper you want. Yellow, green, purple if you have it. I don't think they make purple ones. Maybe they do. Oh, I need this. Hold on. Okay. I'm getting sidetracked. So I'm just going to cut the four sides off of here. This is the easiest way to cut a pepper, because then you're left with the core right in the center. And I try to use what's on the end as well. And then the rest goes in the compost. So here's my favorite little tool, though. This is our simple slice, I believe. Look at that. It slices it into strips for you. So I'm just going to toss those in there. Do the next one. We lost a piece there. There we go. And that is it. So I'll set the rest of this aside for later. And then I'm going to add in my knife out of the way. Let's get this over here. I'm going to add in a cup of chicken stock. And I probably should get out my whisk. I got a couple of teaspoons of sugar, a third of a cup of soy sauce, 2/3 of a cup of peanut butter. And I'm guessing you could use the chunky. I've always used the, the smooth kind. What do they call it? Smooth, yeah. Smooth peanut butter. Then I've got a couple of cloves of garlic I'm going to add in. There's one. All right, I think that's good. And then lastly, I've got a small zucchini that I'm just going to shred right over the top. And for this job, I'm just using our little grater. And then also you'll want to have a little bit of peanuts and maybe like some green onion for garnish when we're finished. Okay, so that's it for our sauce. I'm going to use my whisk, I think, to get this peanut butter all stirred in here. All right, and then once we've got that mixed really well, I'm just going to take a pound of chicken tenderloins. You can use chicken breast. You can cut up chicken if you want it smaller. I like the tenderloins. I think they cook pretty quick and they make the job pretty easy. All right, so I'm going to put the lid on, and then we're going to let this cook on high for 2 to 3 hours, or you can let it cook on low for 4 to 5 hours. All right, our peanut chicken should be just about done. Yeah, it looks good. So now is when you can add some noodles. So you can do this about 15 to 30 minutes beforehand, just so your noodles don't break down. You can use ramen noodles, rice noodles. What are those Japanese noodles called? I don't know. Any kind of noodles you want. Even if you don't have that type of noodle, you can even do like a fettuccine or something like that. So I'm just going to go ahead and put these in here. And I would normally do, if I was going to do ramen noodles, I would do 2 packages minus the seasoning packs. But I'm going to save 1 package for when I go to photograph. So I just want to put this in here and make sure it's kind of covered. Put the lid on, and then I'm going to let this cook another 15 minutes. All right, and then just after about 15 minutes or so, your noodles should be nice and done, and we should be able to plate some of this up. So let's get a little bit of the noodles, a little bit of peppers, a little piece of chicken here. All right, let me push my slow cooker out of the way. And then I've got just a few green onions, so I'm going to top this with, and a couple of peanuts. And then I'm going to cut a piece of this chicken. Whoops. And we'll see how good this is. I think this is an exceptionally good dish, because if you guys have been watching for any amount of time, I'm not a peanut butter fan. My husband is, but I am not. And I love this dish. I think it's really, really good. I love the crunch of a little bit of onions and the peanuts on top. Yeah, I think it's absolutely delicious. And it's so easy, just right in your slow cooker. So perfect meal for, a Sunday afternoon. Anyway, I hope you all give it a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. I thank you so much for watching. Bye.